Good afternoon, Rich Nass, Embedded Computing Design at Embedded World, obviously. I'm here in the Azul booth, and at least the way I look at it, when you think of Azul, you think of Java. They're synonymous in my view. But we were just chatting about some things that have changed in the market, and this Java market has certainly changed a lot over the last couple of years or so. What is the Azul take on how this market has evolved?
Well, I think I'd first talk about the embedded marketplace. You think about the adoption and the exponential expansion of smart devices, right? Any kind of device you can imagine. I've got young kids at home. You think about the games they play. These are robots, though. These are smart devices. We have robots that are powered by phones. In my home today, they can play soccer with robots. It's just amazing the things that are done with embedded today. Historically, hasn't been a large percentage of the embedded marketplace. There seems to be an absolute growth, and we think Azul is a part of that. Part of it's the fact that you can now get embedded Java as an open source product. You can freely download it from our site, for example, and you can get it supported from companies like Azul. So it could be a customized form factor, it could fit many different chipsets, small form factors for ARM32 or ARM64, even legacy chipsets like MIPS and PowerPC, and of course larger server x86 type platforms as well. So just this growth has been incredible for us. It's now half of our business, and we're excited to be part of this marketplace.
And a bunch of different application areas. Now you're supporting automotive and IoT. How does that differ when you move from one space to another?
It is interesting because you do need to understand the industry to some extent. Ago, I would say we did not have great or deep knowledge about automotive, but we now have done several partnerships in the automotive industry across many different suppliers to automotive, as well as to some of the largest automotive manufacturers. That's what's interesting is their cars, even the low-end cars, where it used to only be the high-end cars, even the low-end cars are very smart today, where it might have not had any Java or any kind of smart processing within that car. You may have anywhere from 2 to 8 different Java virtual machines in a car handling things like telematics or infotainment. So the high-end cars may even more. You may have 10 JVMs in a car. So these cars are computers now. I don't know about you, but when I was back in grade school and learned to work on an engine, you could get into the engine and change things.
Yep.
You need, I think, a master's in computer science now to work on a car now, right? It's not going to happen. So that's been a big growth of our business. And interestingly enough, across many regions, we have customers in Japan, in Korea, in Germany, and the United States in the automotive industry. I think another big change that's about to happen is the driverless cars, right? So I think you're going to see more and more of that with the type of data, with sensor data, going back to IoT, which is another area for embedded Java as well. It's also an area for Azul because not only do we do embedded Java, but we have Java on the back end that handles things with large data sets for things like analytics. So IoT is a natural for us, both on the kind of front end and back end as well.
Very good. That was Eric Graber. He's with Graber. We're in booth 500. Editorial. Come see us.
Thank you.